I used to measure time in honks.
3 honks meant I'm late. 5 honks meant I'm angry. 1 long honk, that was just Lagos saying good morning. Now, I measure time in kettle whistles and how long it takes my neighbor's cat to stare me down from the window. Winnipeg is polite. Painfully polite. Like people apologize when you bump into them. It's unsettling. I miss the drama, the flair. The guy who sold sunglasses and gospel CDs while dodging Okadas like it was a sport. Here, I've learned to breathe, to sit still, to listen to silence without assuming something's wrong. But sometimes silence feels like forgetting. I miss the rhythm of home. The way the air buzzed with possibility and pepper. The way you could hear someone's entire life story just by standing in line for Puff Puff. Now I stand in line for gluten-free muffins, and people talk about the weather like it's a personality trait. I'm adapting. I've got a winter coat now. I say sorry even when I mean excuse me. I drink tea like it's a lifestyle. But every now and then, I hear a car horn in the distance, and for a split second, I swear it's calling my name.